Hello everyone. I just wanted to make this video on my 2015 Ford Taurus SHO. This has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and what we're looking at here is the front turbo in the car. I'm trying to figure out where all of this oil is leaking from, as you can see, and it's all across the transmission here. You can see it's mainly on this side, and it goes all the way to the back. And over here we can even see some fresh oil. I just came from a drive, and it's all up in there around the transmission area, but it's only mainly towards the center and across the case, all across here. Look at all of that. This is the transmission. There's nothing on this side of the transmission, and nothing at the power transfer case. And I'm looking at the rear turbo, which I don't know if you can see it back there. That braided line is the oil return from the rear turbo to the oil case, which is this thing right here. I can't really seem to figure out what the issue is or where this oil is from. The car drives just fine, no issues whatsoever. It does make some noises while I'm driving, which I can't figure out what they are. They mainly occur when I lightly tap on the gas when I'm in like 4th or 5th gear, and it only occurs at speeds of like 30 or 40 miles an hour. I don't think it's coming from the oil filter, although this oil right here is, I didn't tighten that on very well. I tightened it right now. I just did the oil change over the weekend. That's when I found this whole problem, and it's very concerning to me. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the turbo. There is some oil around it, but it doesn't look like it's fresh. There's some fresh oil right over here. This is the pressure air that comes out of the turbo that goes to the intercooler. Yeah, I'm really puzzled here. I don't know what's going on. If anybody has any idea or came across this, can you please leave some comments below?